Is this how you feel about buying seeds? Hi, Lindsay and I are over at Home Depot and they have seeds in.
Yeah.
And we are going to winter sow these. Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Let me turn this around just a minute. Okay, go ahead.
Here's this one.
Blanket flower, hold it to the...
Okay, I was just looking at
Oh, I'm so excited. It's a double. These are all mostly burpee. I'll hold that.
There's another one of them.
2.
Okay.
She wants to grow this really bad.
Really
Lavender.
Because if you put a lavender scent on your finger, it actually helps you with like sad stuff.
Being sad?
It helps you with your emotion.
Oh, it does. It's calming. Lavender's very calming.
It's a common sense.
Yep.
How you doing with the fun stuff?
Okay, why do you like that one?
Because it's pretty.
She likes purple. Bachelor button. Okay, what else?
Sorry.
Put it up to your face so I can see what it is. This one's another, this one is a Munstead lavender.
It's a little bit shorter.
Yeah, I'm actually not sure. We could look them up. Look at this one.
Well, I guess it looked like a brain.
Right? King Coral Celosia looks like a brain.
Why does it look like a
I
brain?
love them. Aren't they cool? Pinks or dianthus. Arctic Fire.
I know you guys been wanting me to come back on the YouTube channel again.
Because we miss you.
You know, I kind of like teleported away.
Teleported.
But yeah, it's just because I'm hanging out with some friends or I'm at school.
Growing up too fast.
Yeah, so yeah, it's fun.
Show some more.
There's this.
Delphinium. Specific giant mixed colors.
I really want to go.
She wants to grow chives because she likes the purple. And I
Yeah.
told her they're similar to onions and you put them in food.
And then I try to put it back away.
We want to put it in a pot so it doesn't spread. Okay, this one is foxglove. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go so close. There you go. And then Sweet William. I grew this one, I think it's exact same packet in winter sowing. And I loved the ones with the white.
Keep it still, but it won't go still.
They're so pretty. Thank you, Lindsay.
Just have fun with it. Bang, 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 bang.
For sure. Bye. What else did you find?
I found this.
Purple.
So pretty. I found this.
Purple.
Blue.
Bluish
My
purple.
second favorite color is blue.
Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Lots of sunflowers. She found more purple. Texas bluebonnets are similar to lupin.
It's purple.
Sweet peas. Zinnias and marigolds we can get in a little bit. I don't want to quite get those yet. First Lady mixed snapdragon. Is this how you feel about buying seeds? What type of soil do we need for winter sowing?
Moisture control.
So we like to do the moisture control in Utah
Because it's the best soil.
because we're really dry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you get?
A lump.
A lump. Why?
For my birthday. I got a lamp for my birthday. A lump. Comment happy birthday if you would. And like, subscribe. Pew pew.
I'm back in my sunroom and I'm going to work on Blanket Flower Double Mix and the Sweet William Double Flowers. Okay, I've got 4 milk jugs in here. The other one's over here. It's already January and look how much I have going on. Oh boy. And then outside is super sunny and messy. Okay, I'm inside where it's warmer. It's pretty chilly. It looks sunny outside, but it is so cold. Okay, so I take a kitchen knife. I like the garden marker online. I'm gonna write a little more detail this time. Fairy Morse seeds. And then today is the 24th. And I'm going to do 2 of those. Okay, so I put them out here until I have time and it's not so disgusting out here. Then I move them over to these bins. Hi, Patches. This one's already full, but I'll also put them right next to it. What happens is when it rains, if we get rain, and if we don't get rain, then I put a hose in here and I water. And then they can sit in those for a day or 2 in our weather. And if there's still water at the bottom of it, then we can dump it out to the landscape. We just got seeds from True Leaf Market. And I really hope they have pictures on them, otherwise we'll put them up on the screen. You want to open that? And then we'll talk about each of our seeds.
It just came in the mail today.
Yep, I ordered it. This one was pretty fast. We also have, a bird came out. We also have swallowtail seeds coming too. True Leaf Market. I've never ordered from there before. I'm excited to try them. And what does this one say on it? So this one is Rudbeckia Goldilocks. And all of them are going to kind of look like this. So it has the information on it, but I will put the picture on the screen. What does this one say? Can I see that one? This one says GM. This is the main reason I ordered from them, is because I wanted a GM flower.
This is what they look like.
Yep. Okay, let's go to the next ones. Thank you. I wanted to grow GM from seed.
Ooh, there's a different one. There's a different one.
Okay, this one says... So that's what it looked like. That one says White Wonder Cucumber, and I was told those were really good. And these both are Cherokee Sunset Rudbeckia and Green Wizard Rudbeckia. So both of these, hopefully they are perennial to my zone, so they'll come back.
This one.
This one is called...
It's like a bulb.
So they're pelleted seeds, that's why they're thick.
Are these bulbs?
No.
No?
They're just seeds with a coating on the outside of them, so that's why they're thicker. It's Dianthus Red Peppermint. So, yay! I think that's all we got. But that's exciting. More seeds. A lot of them can be winter sown. The cucumbers can be winter sown, but I'm not going to do that until maybe March. So, see you later. Bye! I got some dogs. And I got swallowtail seed order. Swallowtail seeds. All right, I'll put the pictures on the screen. All right, here we go. Silver Falls dichondra. Estello Indigo Agastashi. This one I'm doing today. Bullseye Salmon Geranium. Oh, that's so cool. The geraniums will be inside. Whoop. Black Dragon Coleus. This one will also be inside. This one feels like it's pelleted. Kong Rose Coleus. I wanted to try some different colored Coleus. Blue Globe Thistle Echinops. These are cool. All right, here's another Coleus. Wizard Velvet Red Coleus. The Coleus are going to come inside, start inside. Caramel Mixed Rudbeckia. I am going to try like 2 seeds inside and the rest will be winter sown. You guys, I'm so excited about this. This whole order. Newest hybrids of Coral Bells. These will be winter sown. Okay, this is a perennial. Fama Deep Blue Scabiosa. That's so exciting. This one looked kind of cool. Martini Cucumber. Let me see why I liked this one. Creamy white tender skin. I had a white cucumber one year and they were so delicious. So I kind of went crazy on white cucumbers this year. Okay, this one is Red Shades Yarrow. Flower Burst Red Shades Yarrow. Last one. Queen Lime with Blotch Zinnia. You guys, I am so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video of us geeking out about seeds. Lindsay's on a bike ride. Look at this weather, you guys. It's amazing. We are going to get snow, which we desperately need in Utah, but I'm going to be out here playing
It's a family.
when the weather is beautiful.
It's a family
Bye.
time. I just have fun with it. Pew pew.